Hey there, hey there, hey there. So I'm finally giving an update on my experience and also clients' experience with this QVR hair. The first client, it was planned that she would come back so that I could see how successful it would be to take the hair out. And so she ended up taking it out. She wore it, I guess, for I don't know. She wore it beyond 2 weeks. And she took it out herself because she said she's tender-headed. But that particular hair was curly hair and it worked well. But I have two other clients that got a wavy hair, and I'm going to show you right now today because attempting to take this out, there's no way it can be reused. And also when it came in, it had a smell to it. And yeah, typically you want to wash any kind of hair, but my clients who have experience with weaves said they never got hair that smelled like that. And so two people got wavy hair, and the one person, after 2 weeks, she had to take it out because it mattered so bad. Now I'm working with a lady with the same type of hair, and here's what it looks like. This is it. I don't have the original packet anymore, the original packet, but there's no way to undo this. You know, there's no way to just slip it out. It has to be cut out. Plus you got growth. The strands are so tiny. I had hopes for this hair, but go ahead and speak, honey. Tell me what has been happening.
Yeah, it's when I wear this hair, it's not what you think it may be. It's hard to deal with. Like I will put my hands through it. I get caught up. My hands get caught up with this hair. Tangly. I experience some shedding, a little bit. But the shedding is fine. It's just a tangleness. It's like thick and tangled.
And that was in the first, how many weeks?
This is my very first time even trying this hair.
No, I mean, how long?
Oh, this has been like, 4 weeks.
Right, but within when did the tangling begin? First week, second week?
I want to say it started actually around the second or third week.
Yeah. So here's my deal. You know, anything new that comes out. I was enthusiastic because I had gone to a conference, and then from there, conference dealing with hair loss and all types of protective styling, everything dealing with hair loss for Black women. And then came back and did research on the crochet hair, and it is on the YouTubes and everything. Bottom line is everything has something toxic in it. You know, I was concerned because in 2016 I had tumors that showed up, but I got a checkup again, and there's no indication that anything that I was dealing with was causing that. So it's disappointing because here's the deal, not just with our industry, but just United States, period. Everything is toxic. Other countries take more pride in banning and ensuring that products that their consumers are using, they have rules or laws in place so that they're not consuming toxic products. But the bottom line is the protective style industry is huge, it's billions. Not everybody's ready to transition, so I'm still working with the traditional synthetic hair that's out there. It is what it is. Anything you use, understand what you're working with, and you have to leave it at that. But QVR is 5 thumbs down. Sorry. There's a lot of marketing out there to promote it, but I haven't even seen where people are actually taking it out after several weeks. Show me that first. But that's it. QVR, I'm taking all of the videos that I put up to promote it down. All right. Y'all find any other human hair alternatives? Make a comment. Bye.